how to download Photoshop on your Android phone quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Next, tap the search bar at the top and type Adobe Photoshop. From the search results, select the official Adobe Photoshop app published by Adobe. Now, tap the Install button and wait for the app to download and install on your device. The download time may vary depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. You can then sign in with your Adobe account or create a new one if prompted. Some features may require an Adobe account or subscription, while others are available for free. If you don't see the app in the Play Store, make sure your device is running the latest Android version and that the Play Store is up to date. You can also check whether the app is available in your region. And that's it. That's how you can download and install Photoshop on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Android tips, app tutorials, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.